Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys the easiest way to put on lashes. I cannot express how easy it is because I used to suck at putting on lashes. I used to like mess it up all the time. So when I found this method, I was like, girl. So anyways, I know you guys don't want to hear me talk all day because we both know yo girl is annoying. So without further ado, let's dive right into this video. For today's video, all you're going to need is your mascara, your eyelash curler, tweezers, a thin point brush like this one. I'm going to be using Jeffree Star's JS13 brush, eyelash glue, and your lashes. And today I'm going to be using Lilly Lashes in the style Miami. I like to put my mascara on first, and today I'm going to be using the Benefit Roller Lash Mascara. And I'm going to apply that to my top lashes and my bottom lashes. After the mascara is on, I'm going to dive right into using the Duo Lash Glue. So for this step, I'm just going to take my lash glue and put a little dollop on the top of my hand right here. I'm then going to take my JS13 brush and dip the tip of it in the lash glue. So once the glue is on the brush, I'm going to take the brush and get as close to the lash line as possible and apply the glue. Once the lash glue is on it, it's going to take around 20 seconds to dry, so you're going to have to get your lashes quick and you're going to have to apply them pretty fast.
12 seconds later.
So as you can see, I have my lash right here, and I'm just going to apply the lash on the glue. And I'm going to take my tweezer and push the lash as close to the lash line as possible so it has a consistent, gorgeous look. Once this side is done, I'm just going to pop this lash on this side. Once the lashes are on, I'm just going to take my eyelash curler and curl these lashes. And there we have it. Lashes are on, and look how easy that was. It was so fast and simple. I love this process, and it's the best process I've found for me personally because I am a complete mess when it comes to putting on lashes. I used to put the lash glue on top of the lashes before I found this method, and every single time I would mess up my whole makeup look because the glue wouldn't dry fast enough and it would just a mess 24/7. But I'm glad I found this method, and I'm happy to share it with you guys because I know when I figured this out, I was just blown away and so happy that I could actually put on my lashes properly. You know, we love that. Anyways, if you haven't already, please like, comment, and subscribe. It would mean the world to me. And just a reminder, I am going to be posting every other week instead of every week. So come back in 2 weeks for my next video. Anyways, thank you guys for watching today's video, and I hope you guys have a safe 4th of July weekend. I love you guys.